All right, here we go. Putting the tire on. Basically push the first bead right onto the rim. Just put a little bit of soapy water on there. Then get it started. Get half of it underneath the rim. There you go. Hold on, bud. This was our replacement adapter because this thing started bending. I mean, we could have stuck it out and made it work. It started bending because we were doing something wrong at the beginning. But I had some other metal laying around. So, I mean, you don't need that, but it was nice because, like I said, this thing is super chintzy. Then, so after you get it on, the valve back in, start filling it up. Make sure we don't go above 15 psi. You see it seating. Don't worry, bud, it's not gonna pop. There we go. They look good. Seated all the way around. How much did it take for it to seat?
About 10.
About 10? All right. So it took us about 2 minutes to get a tire off and 2 minutes to get a tire on. It's not too bad because the local Yamaha place wanted to charge us $50 a tire, which is insane. So this thing cost $39.99, and then you had a 20% coupon. It came out to like 32 bucks.